Hi there. Let's make a delicious potato and cheese grilled sandwich today. It's an easy recipe with readily available ingredients and is quite popular with kids and grown-ups. You'll be able to enjoy it very much with your folks. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. To make the sandwich, I am using boiled potatoes, thinly sliced onions, thinly sliced tomatoes, thinly sliced capsicum, and some fresh green coriander leaves, cheese slices, block cheese, dried red chili flakes, some dried oregano or dried mixed herbs, mayonnaise of your choice, salted butter, and bread slices. 3 will get you 2 sandwiches. You could use the plain mayo. I'm using an eggless mayo. Or you could turn it into a sweet chili mayo by adding some tomato ketchup and a tiny bit of chili sauce. Mix it all together. Taste it and adjust the tomato ketchup and the chili sauce if required. Chop up the green coriander finely. Slice the potatoes. You could use boiled egg or paneer in place of potato. Let's build our sandwiches. So a generous amount of butter on one slice. Chopped coriander, then add the sliced potatoes. Make sure to cover the entire surface. Season with black salt, some chili flakes, chaat masala, add in some sliced onions. You may choose not to add the onions. Make it according to your taste. Kids really love this sandwich. Why kids alone? Cheese slice on top. Chili mayo or plain mayo. Be generous with it. Mayo side down on the cheese slice. Press lightly. More mayo on top. Similarly for the next one. Mayo side down. More on top. Arrange some tomato slices. And some capsicum. Season with black salt. And some dried oregano. Butter the top slice. Cover it with the butter side down. Press it slightly. I forgot to add the cheese. So I'll just grate in some cheese. It's always a good idea to add 2 to 3 types of cheese in a recipe. That just builds up a lot of flavor. So these are now ready to be grilled. So before it goes onto the grill pan, I lightly butter the top. Send me your feedback in the comments, and if you like the recipe, share it with your friends. Alternatively, you could use olive oil. Just brush it with olive oil if you want to cut down on the butter. I'm using a grill pan. I'll place the sandwich butter side down. And while that's cooking, I'll quickly butter the top. I'll just press down lightly. The aim here is to melt all the cheese that has been put inside. It's been about a minute now, and let me just flip this over. You could very well use a tawa or put it in the oven to melt the cheese. It has been about 1.5 minutes on this side on low heat, and that should be done. I'll just get it out and cook the next one. Slice it in half. If you want, you could grate in more cheese on top. Serve it hot for breakfast or at tiffin time, and enjoy!